Hi everyone, I wanted to show you guys what I bought today because I went to the bazaar today. It's very rare that I ever go to the bazaar for shopping, and actually I didn't even go to the bazaar for my own shopping. I had to buy a couple of things for my family, but I saw something there and I was like, well, that's something I want, and I bought it. So I'm wearing what I bought, and it only costed me 1,000 rupees, and this is a brand new two-piece suit. This is how it looks like right now, and I'll stand up in a minute and show you guys how it looks like. Originally he was selling this for 1,200, but I asked him if he could give me a good bargain, and he gave it to me for 1,000 rupees, that is. Completely new, and of course it's stitched. The fabric's nice too, and it fits me very well, so I'll show you guys and I'll get up. This is how this looks like, the whole thing, and of course this is like a pant situation, and this also has like really nice detailing at the bottom. It has some really nice detailing. हम इसको कहते हैं समोसे बने हुए. So I'll show you up front. This is what's going on here at the hem. The fabric's linen, and the whole outfit looks like this. I think this was a size XL, I guess, but they had different sizes, but almost all of them would fit an average woman. I also went ahead and bought some jewelry. Not that much though, because it's really hard for me to find something that I like, because I rarely like anything. So this is an anklet that I bought. This one. And then I bought some earrings with the suit. These are the earrings. Now I can't really remember how much they costed. I can't remember. But I'm sure they were around 300 or 350. And I really like these, even though they aren't something that I'm used to wearing, but I kind of like these. So this is how this looks like. I think this looks really nice. So the things that are remaining to complete this outfit, the main thing is a scarf. So I was just thinking about a very neutral sort of a situation, nothing too extraordinary, because we already have like a printed suit. So this is just a chiffon scarf with really cute detail at the bottom, and I'll just wear this like so. It actually goes with my earrings too, so that's nice, I guess. It wasn't planned, but it just happened, and this goes with it. Okay, so I have my jewelry box here with me, and let's just see if I want any rings. So I already have this black ring on my finger, and I'm thinking about black and gold combination. So this is another gold ring that I have, so I can wear like black in one hand and gold in the other. I'd rather wear gold in this hand because of course I'm going to wear a watch. I actually do have a watch. I have this gold watch, which I can wear with it. And then I have another watch, which actually has some green stones in it. I think I'll go with this. It's gonna look better with this ring that I have. And then on this hand, I could just go for black rings. Black rings. I'm tempted to wear this too. I think I should. It's gonna look nice. Let's see. It should look nice. I think I should wear something gold to complement this as well. I think I should just wear my diamond. I should wear my diamond here in the middle. Because it's kind of golden, so I think it's going to complement. Does it look nice? It doesn't really look nice. It looks out of place. Okay, so I'm going to wear this and this, like so. Put this one here. It looks nice here. And then another band, which I can put here. I think this looks nice. Okay. Done with the jewelry. Let's decide what shoes to wear. So this is my favorite part, by the way. I really like to decide what shoes to wear. It kind of gives me this little excitement. Let's see. So I was thinking about these court shoes or these wedges, and I decided that I'm usually in court shoes all the time, and also it's summer, so I'll just wear these. And this will probably show off my anklet too. And now for my favorite thing, the little baby purse. A little baby purse. I really like this one. It's really small, and I can't fit my phone in this, but I can fit my cash, my cards, both of the cards, whatever you have. I think you can fit in this, the lip gloss and stuff. So I'm not going to fit it with anything right now, but for sure when I go out, I'm going to. So officially this is how the dress looks like with everything on, and I removed the scarf so that you guys can actually see what's going on, and I also placed my little purse on my shoulder rather than going diagonally, because I think this looks better this way. And I also have some sunglasses. Now I prefer these sorts of glasses rather than the black ones, because I think they're just going to look better and fit with the outfit better. And this is the final look. I'll give you guys a 362. This side looks like. And I think that the strappy heels really put together the outfit. And yeah, this is how everybody should look in summer, I guess. So that's it. I hope everybody liked it. This is what I bought today, and I was really excited to share this with you guys because these are really inexpensive clothes, and they're brand new, and they fit really well, and they look really nice. So I hope you guys liked it. Have a really nice day. Take care. Bye.